So friends, start employment news weekly, New Delhi 7 to 13 August 2021 in details. Dear subscribers, we will discuss each and every vacancies in full details. If you want to see this employment news of this week 7 to 13 August 2021 in shorts, please visit in my description box. There is a link, you can go through from there. Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You are watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. Cute India Movement, Character and Organization. Emerging Careers in Food and Nutrition Science by Nidhi Prasad. Today's job highlights Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force invites application for direct recruitment of 197 approx Group C civilian posts. Last date of this apply for 30 days from the date of publication, means from today 7 August it is 30 days from now. Next vacancy, SJVN Limited. SJVN Limited invites applications in various disciplines. Tentative vacancies are 129. Last date for this is 24 September 2021. Next vacancy from ASRB, means Agricultural Scientific Recruitment Board, notifies Administrative Officer AO and Finance of an Account Officer F and AO examination 2021. Last date 23rd August 2021. We will discuss these all job highlights in details next. Remember us once in a while, letters of martyrs, book experts. Emerging Careers in Food and Nutrition Science. Continue from page number 1. Next vacancy and next department, Government of India, Directorate General, Central Industrial Security Force, Ministry of Home Affairs. Friends, filling up post one vacancy for the Assistant Director Accounts in the Directorate General, Central Industrial Security Force on deputation basis. The last date of this receipt application for this is 60 days from the date of publication on the advertisement. If you want to apply, please go through the official website csif.gov.in for the Assistant Director Accounts in Directorate General. Next department, SJVN Limited, a joint venture of Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh. Career opportunity in growing organizations. Vacancies are like that: Human Resource Discipline, that is Field Officer. Tentative vacancies are 10. Education qualification for Field Officer, Human Resource, that is graduate in 2 years full-time MBA, postgraduate diploma in specialization in personal HR. Finance and Accounts Department, Field Officer, number of tentative vacancies are 10. CA, Chartered Account, CWA, CM and 2 years full-time MBA with specialization in Finance. For the post of Civil Junior Field Engineer, number of posts are 30. Full-time diploma in civil engineers are required. For the post of Electrical Junior Field Engineer, number of tentative posts are 25. Full-time diploma in electrical engineer. Mechanical Junior Field Engineer, number of posts tentative are 20. Full-time diploma in mechanical engineer. Human Resource Junior Field Officer, tentative vacancies are 15. Essential qualifications is graduate with 1 or 2 year full-time postgraduate degree, a diploma in personal management or social works, labor welfare, business management office management or public administration. For the finance and accounts, junior field officers, number of posts are tentative are 15, inter CA or inter CMA, simple pass or full-time MCOM. For the post of official language junior field officer, tentative vacancies are 4, full-time master degree of a recognized university in Hindi or English as a main subject at a bachelor degree level, desirable diploma in Hindi translations. Percentage of marks, simple pass for a CW, CA, CMA and inter CA and inter CMA for other prescribed as the qualification. Aggregate marks are required 50%. For SC, ST, PW is 55% are for others. Important audits, if we talk, then date of the commencement of the online registration for submitting applications is 4 August 2021 to 24 August 2021. So anybody who wants to apply, please visit his official website sjvn.nic.in for more details. Next vacancy from Vice President's Secretariat, New Delhi. This is the application are invited for the assistant. The pay scale is pay band 2. Application mode is a offline mode. You have to download the applications for the and written on the application for the post of assistant and send it within the 45 days from the date of publication of these vacancies from today, means 7th August. For more details, please visit his official website and download the performer and send it with all requisite documents on the given address within the 45 days. Next vacancy from Cochin Zonal Base of Fisheries Survey of India. Applications are invited for the post of shipway workers. Grade 2 post, that is and carpenter in pay level 2 group. For more details for slipway worker and carpenter, please visit his official website fsi.gov.in. The last date of this receipt application is 23rd August 2021. Next vacancy from Government of India, Central Institute of Psychiatry, Kanke, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Advertisement notice number 12028/2/2016, establishment 2021. Name of the post is a Professor Clinical Psychology. Number of the post 1, pay level will be 12. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, then master degree in psychology or clinical psychology from a recognized university or institute, or master degree in philosophy and clinical psychology from a recognized university or institutions. Doctorate degree means PhD in clinical psychology from a recognized university or institution. 10 years teaching experience is required. Desirable research or published work in indexed journal. Second post is for Professor of Psychiatric Social Work. Number of vacancies is 1. Pay level will be 12 as per 7 CPC. Eligibility criteria for master degree in social work or sociology from a recognized university or institution. Master of philosophy in psychiatric social work from a recognized university or institutions. Doctorate degree means PhD in psychiatric social work from a recognized university or institution. 10 years teaching experience is required. Desirable experience in psychotherapy and counseling techniques is required. Next post is Chief Administrative Officer. Number of post 1, pay level will be 11. Eligibility criteria, officer of the central government or state government. Bachelor degree in any subject from a recognized university or institutions. 7-year experience of administrative accounts and establishment work in supervisory capacity from the central government or state government of union territory of administrative or autonomous or statutory organization. Next post is Library and Information Officer. Number of post 1, pay level will be 11 as per 7 CPC. Eligibility criteria is master degree in library science and information science of a recognized university or institute. 5 years professional experience is required. Desirable 1 year experience of computerizing library activities of library under the central government or state government or union territories of public sector. For all these posts, so this is the biodata and curriculum vitae. You have to fill this vitae and send it with all requisite document to the concerned department is given, address is given within the 60 days from the date of this publication of this advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy from National Capital Region Transport Corporation of Limited. That is a vacancy new for New Delhi. Name of the post Senior Executive Corporate Hospitality. Number of post tentative is 1 unreserved. Maximum age is 35 years. If we talk about the qualification for this post for senior executive, graduate in hotel management or equivalent, preferable MBA in hospitality management. Minimum experience required is 4 years. For more details, please visit his official website. And last date of this receipt application is 20 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement. Next vacancy, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited Maharatna Company. That is a Amethi. For UP, there is a vacancy Senior DGM EZA. That is a number of tentative post is 1. Age limit is 48 years as on 1st August 2021. Minimum age is required. Essential qualifications: full-time degree BE, BTech or BSc Engineering Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics or Ceramic from a recognized university. Desirable PG degree in diploma and PhD in any of the specialized branches of the essential qualifications. Post qualifications required. Due date for receipt of these applications, please visit his official website for more details. Next vacancy from National Brain Research Center means NBRC, Government of India. Advertisement number 01/2021. Name of the post is Personal Secretary. Post 01 number unreserved. Post code is 001. Age is 30 years from the direct recruitment and 56 years for deputation included short term. Mode of recruitment is direct recruitment. Pay level will be 7 as per 7 CPC. For direct recruitment, that is a graduate with proficiency shorthand 120 word per minute and typing 50 word per minute. Candidate should be proficient in use of word processor and spreadsheet. For deputation, including short-term contract, official from central or state government and scientists, research and teaching institutions. For more details about the post of the personal secretary, please visit his official website is Jammu and Kashmir. That is the last date of receipt this application is 6 September 2021. Next vacancy from Foodcraft Institute, Dumna Port Road near IITDM, Jabalpur. That is the cancellation of vacancies post. That is the one post that is Dainik Bhaskar and employment newspaper of recruitment of academic and non-academic posts are hereby cancelled. This is the information for cancellation of vacancy. Next vacancy from All India Institute of Medical Science, Rishikesh. That is a reopen notice for vacancies. Online applications are invited for the faculty of post reopen for teaching and non-teaching staff. Please visit his official website aimsrishikesh.edu.in for more details and educational qualifications and rules and norms. Last date for this for various posts in the AIMS Rishikesh is by 9 September 2021. Next vacancy from Serious Fraud Investigation Office, New Delhi. It is the notice for extension of last date. That is the date is extended up to 31st August 2021 for the post of Joint Additional Director Investigations. Tentative number of posts were 3. The tentative place for posting Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Hyderabad. Level of pay is pay level 12 as per 7 CPC. For more details, please visit his official website mca.gov.in. Next vacancy from Sainik School, Kanjapura, Karnal, Haryana. It is a post for lower division clerk. Means LDC. Tentative vacancies are 1. Pay level 2 as per 7 CPC. Age is between 18 to 50 years as on 1st Jan 2021. Essential qualifications required for LDC lower division clerk is matriculations. Typing is at least 40 words per minute in English. Ability of correspondence in English will be considered as additional qualifications. Desirable candidates qualifications is required computer course on MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint and having working knowledge on these software. Typing knowledge is required. Knowledge of shorthand, Hindi and typing speed 35 words per minute. Knowledge of filling of document in files and etc. Last date for submission of application for the lower division clerk in Sainik School, Haryana, Karnal is by 31st August 2021. Please visit his official website sskunjapura.org for more details. Next vacancy from Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, that is New Delhi. It is an advertisement for filling up the post for Senior Research Officer of TRAI, yani Tri Regulating Authority of India, means headquarters of New Delhi, deputation basis. Name of the post Senior Research Officer. Pay level will be is pay level 11. The last date of receipt this post for the Senior Research Officer is held by extended, that is the 17 August 2021. For more details, its rules and norms and essential qualifications, please visit try.gov.in. Telephone Regulatory Authority of India, means Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Next vacancy from National Cooperative Development Corporations. Name of the post is Deputy Director. Number of vacancies is 1. Age limit is 56 years. If we talk about the eligibility, person working in central or state or autonomous body holding analog post. 5 years post qualifications experience is required. Period of deputation will be 4 years, extendable up to 7 years. Next post is Deputy Director Fisheries. For first is Deputy Director for Dairy and second post is for Deputy Director Fisheries. Number of post 1, age limit is 56 years and the educational qualification is same as the number of post number 1. The last date for this Deputy Director for Dairy and Deputy Director for Fisheries is by 17 September 2021. For more details and norms and rules and regulations, please visit ncdc.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, National Health Authority. Name of the post Assistant Section Officer, means Administration. Pay level will be 7 and number of post 1. It is filled for deputation basis. For the post of Assistant Section Officer Administration in National Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. For more details, please visit his official website pmjay.gov.in. It is offline mode applications. Please visit his official website for more details and download the Performa and attach all the documents and send it on the given address within the 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy from application are invited following post under the Deen Dayal Research Institute, Tulsi Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Galwan, Chitrakoot, UP. Name of the post is Subject Matter Specialist Horticulture 1 post. Pay level will be 5400 grade pay. Essential qualifications required: master degree in horticulture or vegetable science or equivalent qualifications from a recognized university. If we talk about the age, maximum age limit is 35 years. For the post of Subject Matter Specialist Horticulture, the last date of receipt of application is within the 30 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement in the newspaper. For more details, its qualifications, please visit chitrakoot.kvk4.in. Next vacancy from Government of India, Noida Special Economic Zone, Noida, UP. It is the post for Superintendent Customs. Grade pay will be 4800. It is equivalent to pay level 8 as per 7 CPC. Number of post 1, Moradabad, Sage. Second is Appraiser Custom. 1 post, Moradabad, Sage. The last date for this both Superintendent Custom, Appraiser Customs is within the 45 days from the date of these publications. For more details and norms, please visit nsez.gov.in for more details. Next department, Oil India Limited. It is the application are invited for the post of Superintendent Medical Officer Ophthalmology, means code is MO06. It is the post for 1, it is unreserved and upper age limit is 37 years. Superintendent Medical Officer Physician, post code is MO07. It is for 1 for SC, ST. Third post is Superintendent Medical Officer, Orthopedic Surgeon. Post code is MO08 and OBC non-creamy layer NCL. Number of total tentative vacancies are 1. Upper age limit is 40 years. Superintending Medical Officer Pathology. Post code is MO09. Total posts are 1 for SC scheduled caste. Such like total posts are 4. For all these, please visit his official website for more details, and date of commissionment of receipt of online application will be 27 July to 15 August 2021. Means last date of receipt this application is 15 August 2021. Next vacancy, National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, New Delhi. Vacancy notice is 36/2021 and 43/2021. There are huge vacancies like post name is Deputy General Managers for Electrical and Rolling Stock. Number of posts 2 unreserved, maximum is 50 years, and if we talk the essential qualifications BE, BTech, Electrical, Mechanical, Electronics or equivalent, minimum experience required 8 years. For the post of Deputy General Manager, Operations, number of post 1, maximum age limit 50, essential qualifications bachelor degree in any discipline and minimum experience required 8 years. For the post of Senior Executive Operations, number of post 8, maximum age limit is 40 years, qualifications bachelor degree in any discipline and minimum experience required 5 years. For Deputy General Manager S&T, number of post 1, unreserved, maximum age 50 years, qualifications BE, BTech, Electronics or equivalent, minimum experience is 8 years. For the Assistant Manager Electrical, number of post 10, maximum age required 40 years, BE, BTech, Electronic, Electrics and equivalent or diploma in electrical. Number of years required experience is 4 or 6 years. For Assistant Manager S&T, 4 or 6 year experience required. Number of vacancies 5, qualifications BE, BTech, Electronics or diploma. For Engineer Associate S&T, number of post 4, unreserved 3, OBC 1, upper age limit 40 years, BE, BTech, Electronics or equivalent, diploma in electronics and minimum experience required 5 years. For the Engineering Associate Electrical, 1 unreserved post and upper age limit is 40 years, essential qualification BE, BTech, Electronics and equivalent or diploma electricals, 5 years experience are required. For above all these posts, the last date of receipt this application will be 20 days from the date of issue of vacancy notice in the Employment News Office or NCRTC website. For more details, please visit his official website www.ncrtc.in. Next vacancy from Government of India, Noida Special Economic Zone, Noida, UP. Name of and pay scale for the post of Section Officer Accounts, pay level is 6 as per 7 CPC and number of post 1 Noida SEZ, yani Special Economic Zone. Second post is Junior Hindi Translator, 1 post Noida SEZ. An assistant grade pay is 4200 is equivalent to pay level 6, number of post 2 Noida SEZ. For above the post Section Officer Accounts, Junior Hindi Translator and Assistant, last date of receipt application is 60 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website nsej.gov.in for more details and educational qualifications. Next vacancy, Rashtriya Dope Parikshan Prayogshal means National Dope Testing Laboratory NDTL, New Delhi. It is the for filling a vacant post in the NDTL by deputation basis including short term and contract based regarding. For the post name is Scientist E, PML 13. For the deputation basis, desirable qualifications, experience in research and development in field of the drug analysis and sports dope testing, experience in quality management system as per ISO IEC 17025. Second for the post is Deputy Director Admin and PML 11. For the post experience required, that is the postgraduate degree in postgraduate diploma in human research in HRM, human resource management of finance management and materials management, duration from UGC or AICT recognized approved university. Knowledge of quality management system as per ISO 17025. For the post of Senior Technical Officer Information Technology, deputation, including short and contract basis. Essential qualifications required: electronic and data processing must include data administration and operational work, maintaining database by collecting information and different sources. For the post of section officer, by composite method deputation including short terms. Desirable: postgraduate diploma, PG diploma in human resource management means HRM or finance management or material management from a recognized UGC or AICT. Knowledge of quality management system as per ISO IEC 17025. For above all posts, last date of receipt this publication is 45 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. For its rules and norms, please visit the official website ndtlindia.com for more details. Next vacancy from Government of India, DOWR, RDN, Central Water Commission, New Delhi. It is a circular for the inviting application for 2 posts from the retired personnel section officer level of central government services for rendering their services as consultant in Central Water Commission. Name of the post: consultant, retired personnel section officer level for the central government service. Name of the total tentative posts are 2. If we talk about the qualifications and requirement, that is he should be not less than 65 years as on 1st October 2021. Fixed remuneration will be given. Leave 1.5 paid leave for the every month. Please visit its official website for essential qualifications and rules and norms. It is the offline mode. You have to draw the applications from the given address site, and last date of the application is 30 days from the date of this publication issue in the circulation. The proforma is given. You have to fill the proforma and send it with all requisite documents. Next and most available vacancies are from Western Railway. Railway Recruitment Cell, that is the Mumbai Grant Road East. Indicative notifications for recruitment of against sport quota for the year of 2021 to 2022 in Western Railways. If you are a sportsman, it's a golden opportunity for all sportsmen. If we talk about the opening date and time, is 4 August 2021 and closing date of time of these applications is 3rd September 2021. If we talk about the post and discipline from athletics, women, handball, men, hockey women and basketball women. Number of posts 1, 1, 0, 2 and 1 each. Total posts are 5 for the post of 7 CPPCP. Next are 16 posts in pay level 2/3 and pay matrix level 19,900 to 63,200 as per 7 CPC, grade pay 1900 and 2000 as per 6 CPC. Disciplines: athletics men is number of posts 3 and athletics women for 100 meter, 200 and 500, 1000, 10,000, hammer throw, shot put and triple jumps, number of posts are 3. If we talk about the cricket woman, medium space bowler opening, number of posts 1. Hockey woman, number of posts 1. Basketball man, number of posts 1. Basketball woman, all-rounder and defender and attacker, number of posts 1. Diving man, number of posts 1. Wrestling man, freestyle, number of posts 1. Handball man, number of posts 2. Water polo man, number of posts 1. Table tennis woman, single and doubles, number of posts 1. Like this, total posts are 16. For last date of this received applications and opening date is by 1st April 2019 to 28 July 2021 is a championship there is. Sportsmen have some achievement on between these dates. The last date of received applications is by 3rd September 2021. For more details, rules and essential qualifications, please visit www.rrc.wr.com. Next vacancy from National Institute of Fisheries and Postal Harvest Technology and Training, Cochin. This is the notifications for the filling of post of processing worker in NIPHATT regiment. Application are invited for the fill up of the following post of National Institute of Fishery Post Harvest Technology in Kochi. Name of the post processing worker grade 3. Number of posts are 4 unreserved. Pay band will be pay band is 1 as per 7 CPC. Eligibility criteria matriculations are required. 5 years experience in fish and prawns or processing plants. Desirable experience in freezing and canning plants. Age limit 18 to 28 years. Place of work will be in Kochi. For the post of processing worker grade 3, please visit his official website, and last date of receipt this application within the 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Please visit, and there is a format of application form. Please fill the form and send it with the given address before due date. Next vacancy from employment notice, extension of date of submission of online application for the post of junior engineer civil, which were advertised on 10 to 16 July 2021 employment newspaper. For more details, for the post of junior engineer civil, please visit his official website, and date hereby extended up to 15 August 2021. Next vacancy from direct recruitment of multi-tasking staff, means MTS and civilian motor driver CMD at headquarter RTG zone Porbandar and JNQ, Jalandhar Kent, Central Government Department under the Ministry of Defence. For the post of multitasking staff, pay level 1 as per 7 CPC. Matriculations, essential qualification required. Written test will be conducted and medical test will be conducted. Number of posts are 3. General for 1, SC for 1, ST for 1. Second post is civilian motor driver, means civil motor driver CMD, pay level will be 2. Above qualification in addition to valid driving license, means he should be matriculations or its equivalent and have a motor driving license, light and heavy both. Written and medical test is there. Number of post 1 and 18 to 24 years, and age relaxation up to 35 years for the as per government servant and instructions by the Government of India. There is a format of these applications. Please send it within the due dates. This employment news paper PDF is given in the description box. Please visit in the description box, link is there. You can download form there for more details. Next vacancy from Ministry of Home Affairs, Directorate of Coordination Police Wireless, that is New Delhi. Name of the post is Deputy Director Group A, gazetted post in pay level 11. Number of post and classifications 2 general and grade A post on deputation basis. For the post of Deputy Director, last date of receipt this application 60 days from the date of publication of this circular in employment news paper. For more details and rules and essential qualifications, please visit dcpw.gov.in. Next department is National Health System Resource Center. For the post of Consultant, Public Health Planning and Evidence, RRC NE, Guwahati 1 position. Consultant, Human Resource for Health, RRC NE, Guwahati 1 position. And third post is Consultant for Healthcare Financing, RRC Northeast, means Guwahati 1 position. For above all these, Consultant, Public Health Planning, Human Resource for Health and Healthcare Financing, the last date of receipt of application is 10 August 2021. For its essential qualifications, desirable qualifications, experience, please visit his official website devnet.job.india.org or nhrsrcindia.org. Next vacancy from Solar Energy. This is the online courses is informations. If you want to do solar course, how to start your business of solars, please visit his official website, and last date of this 28 and 29 August 2021 if you want to do this course. Next vacancy from Indian Plywood Industries Research and Training Institute. It is also admission notifications. If you want to do a postgraduate diploma in course in wood and panel products technology, please go through this employment newspaper. Last date of receipt this application for the admission postgraduate diploma in course in wood and panel product technology by 27 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next department is NSI, means Technical Service Center. NSIC, that's National Trade Certificate Course under the Craftsman Training. that is drop and mechanicals. It is also admission notice from ITI courses 2 years, machinist, turner and filter. 10th pass equivalent is required, and last date of receipt these applications and online applications. The process for admission, please visit his official website. Next is a common admission test CAT 2021 information is given from Indian Institute of Management IIMS. The last date for applying that CAT 2021 registration will start from 4 August 2021 and registration closes 7 September, means 15 September 2021 by 5 p.m. Admit card will be in the month of October 2021 to November 2021. 28 November will be released. Test date will be conducted tentatively in November 28 of 2021. Result will be second week of January 2022 tentatively. If you want to apply for CAT examinations, please visit his official website for more details. Next department and vacancies from Center for Marine Living Resource of Ecology. That is vacancy in advertisement for the post of project manager, 1 post, project scientist grade 3, number of post 2, project scientist 2, number of post 15, project scientist 1, number of post 18, senior project associate, number of post 3, project associate SRF, number of post 11. Total post like are 50. For above all these posts, please visit his official website cmire.gov.in. And last date for above all these posts is by 15 August 2021. Next vacancy and information, that is notice Central Information Commission Kendriya Suchna Ayog, New Delhi. That is a Central Information Commission purpose panel for engagement as a legal consultant and contract basis. Eligibility condition for the law graduate should be required. Age limit should be not more than 35 years. Method of selections, shortlisted candidate will be examined in interview by selection committee. So it is offline mode. You have to send it application within the 30 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement. For more details, please visit cic.gov.in for the panel of Central Information Commission purpose to prepare a panel of engagement as a legal consultant on contract basis. Next vacancy from Ministry of Defence, recruitment of civilian personnel in Indian Navy 2021, the Southern Naval Command, Cochin and Andaman Nicobar Command, Port Blair. Most awaited vacancies are there for Group C civilian post. If we talk about the Group C and non-gazetted from the post, name of the post is civilian motor driver. It is for the Southern Naval Command, Kochi. Number of post 10. For unreserved, SC3, ST1, OBC1 and EWS 1, and horizontal reservation for ex-servicemen is 1. For the post of control worker, pest control worker, that is the level 1 grade pay, and for the Southern Naval Command and Andaman Naval Command. For the Southern Cochin Naval Command, that is the vacancy is 6, 2 for unreserved, 1 SC, 1 ST, 1 OBC and 1 EWS. For the Command of Andaman and Nicobar, number of post 2, 6, 2 for unreserved, 1 for ST and 3 for OBC. The age relaxations as per the government rules and norms, SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3 years and PWBDs with 10 years, unreserved ex-servicemen and the military of service plus 3 years of is relaxable. If we talk about there is a suitable PWD and pest control workers, category of disability should be HH, means hearing handicapped. There is a age requirement. If we talk, civilian motor driver will be between 18 to 25 years, and essential qualifications, matriculation from a recognized board, and institutions must have a valid driving license for heavy vehicles and light vehicles and motorcycles, 1 year practical experience of heavy motor vehicles and is HMVS driving. For the post of pest control worker, age will be between 18 to 25 years, and essential qualifications is matriculations pass or equivalent from a recognized board, ability to read and speak Hindi or English and regional language. There is a scheme of written examinations. There is a 4 subjects are there: general intelligence and reasoning and numerical aptitude, general English, general awareness and relevant field. Such like 100 marks test will be conducted. Then after there is a medical test. Then there is a after medical test there is a merit list will be made. For more details and for date of examination, please visit www.indiannavy.nic.in. It is online mode, and also how to apply. Your application should be is A4 size, and the offline mode applications you have to send the application on the given address before due date. Means within the 1 month you have to send the applications in A4 size, and prescribe is given on the www.indiannavy.gov.in. This advertisement applications PDF is given in the my description box. Please visit it and download it and read it carefully. A separate video will be I will upload it for this Group C vacancies for the Indian Navy. This is the performer. You have to fill and attach all the requisite document and affix a 4.5 to 3.5 mm passport size photograph here and send it before due date. Next vacancy from SVP National Police Academy, Hyderabad. It is the extension of last date of receipt of application for the post of Junior Engineer Electrical and SVP National Police Academy, Hyderabad. For more details for the Junior Engineer Electricals for the Police Academy, Hyderabad, please visit his official website, and last date of hereby extension is 30 days from the date of these publications from now. The official website is www.svpnpa.gov.in/vacancies. Next vacancy and huge and most awaited vacancy, that is the Border Security Force BSF. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, recruitment of meritorious sports person for the post of Constable General duty under the sports code. Who is eligible for the sports person? Please apply for all the post. There is huge vacancies. Name of the team, that is boxing man. Number of post 10. You can visit here. You can see there is a all weight level, that is 49 kg, 59, 52, 56, 60, 64 kgs like that. Boxing woman, number of post 10. Judo man, number of post 8. Judo woman, number of post 8. Swimming man, number of post 12. Swimming woman, 4. Number of post 4. Cross country man and woman, number of post 2 each. Kabaddi man 10. And water sports man 10. Water sports woman 6. Wushu man, number of post 11. And weightlifting man, number of post 8. Hockey man, number of post 8. Weightlifting woman, number of post 9. Volleyball man, number of post 10. Wrestling man, number of post 12. Wrestling woman, number of post 10. Handball man, bodybuilding man, number of post 8 and 6 each. Archery man, number of post 8. Archery woman, number of post 12. Nodo man, number of post 10. So if you want to apply all these posts, please visit his official website. There is that is athletics man 20, athletes woman 25, shooting man, shooting woman, number of posts 3 each, basketball and football. Such like the 269 posts are for sports person. Please visit his official website. Age is kept between 18 to 23 as on 1st August 2021. The last date of online application is 9 August 2021 to 22 September 2021. For more details, please visit http://recruitment.bsf.gov.in for more details. Take the next department, Government of Ministry of Home Affairs, National Intelligence Grid. That is the extension for vacancy circulation for the post of extended period of 45 days from the 12th September 2002 for administrative reason for the post of National Intelligence Grid, means NET Grid. For more details, please visit his official website rmha.gov.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Home Affairs, National Investigation Agency, Lodi Road, New Delhi. It is an investigation agency and official website is nia.gov.in. It's a national investigation agency. Ministry of Home Affairs is applications are invited for the senior fellows for engagement of senior research officer against the two posts. Last date for applying for senior research officer in the National Investigation Agency is 10 September 2021. For its criteria, for its essential qualifications, rules and norms, and that is the recruitment procedures, please visit nia.gov.in for more details. Next vacancy from National Institute of Locomotor Disability Divyangjan. There is employment notifications. It is the post for number of post clinical psychologist, consultant admin 1, clinical psychologist number of post 1, lecture physiotherapist consultant number of post 1, lecture physiotherapy number of post 1, neurologist consultant number of post 1, medical specialist as visiting doctors ENT number of post 1. For the NLD Kolkata. And for the Regional Center of CRC Tripura, Assistant Professor 1, Assistant Professor Special Education 1, Assistant Professor Clinical Psychology 1, Orientation Mobility Instructor 1, Clinical Assistant HI 1, and Clinical Assistant MR 1, and Special Educator number of post 1, and Assistant number of post 1. For the Regional Center of CRC Patna, there is a PMR Assistant Professor number of post 1, Lecture Physiotherapy number of post 1, Lecture Occupational Therapy number of post 1, Clinical Assistant MR number of post 1, Orientation and Mobility Instructors number of post 1, Medical Social Workers, that is number post 1. For the CRC Center Aizawl, Mizoram, and for all medical specialists are required for lecturer speech, assistant professors, accountant, and speech therapist. For above all these posts, you have to apply before the due dates, means from within the 30 days from the date of publication in the advertisement in the employment news. It is offline mode. You have to send with the prescribed format and written on in the envelope name of the post and post it into the given address before due days, means within the 30 days. The application performer and advertisement may be format log on www.noihkol.nlc.in or erepatnapatna.com. You can visit and download the application performer. Next vacancy from the Northern Eastern Regional Institute of Water and Land Management, Dholabari, Tejpur, that is Assam. Applications are invited and last date for below all these posts is 60 days from the date of these publications. The post details are like that: Deputy Director Administration number of post 1, age limit is not exceeding 56 years, mode of appointment deputation basis. Administrative Officer number of post 1, unreserved, age limit is 56 years. Account Officer number of post 1, unreserved, not more than 56 years. Research Associate Agriculture number of post 2, unreserved. Research Associate Water Resource Engineering number of post 2, unreserved, and Research Associate Social Science number of post 1, unreserved, and Superintendent and Lower Division LDC number of post 1. Above all these posts, age is not exceeding 56 years. But for the LDC and Lower Division Clerk number of post 1 and age is between 18 to 27 years. For more details, please visit his official website. It is offline mode. You have to send the application on Director Neriwal, Dholabari, Tezpur, that is the Assam, on the given address before due date. Application performer and all details you can download from neriwal.gov.in, means neriwalm.gov.in for the Deputy Director Admin, Administrative Officer, Account Officer, Research Associate Agriculture, Research Associate Water Resource Man Engineering, Research Associate Social Science, Superintendent, and for LDC post. Next vacancy from Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services for the one post of Recovery Officer in Debts Recovery Tribunals, DRT Officer, pay level 11. So for this last date is extended 20 August 2021. If you desire, please visit his official website for more details. And if you want to apply for this post of Recovery Officer in Debt Recovery, you can send the application on the given date before due date. Next vacancy from Ministry of Education, Department of Higher Education, Technical Section. This is the invitation for application for the post of Director for IIT Roorkee. For the post of Director Roorkee, last date is 7 September 2021. It is offline mode. You have to send the speed post on the given address before 7 September. For Performa and application Performa and VTE, please visit his official website education.gov.in. Next vacancy from National Foundation of Communal Harmony. That is a recruitment of 2 posts for Assistant Secretary and 1 post for Account Officer in NFCH, means National Foundation for Communal Harmony, autonomous organization with Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and 1 post for the Accounts Officer in pay level 7. So friends, for more details and educational qualifications, visit his official website nfch.nic.in. And for the post of Assistant Secretary, Accounts Officers, last date of receipt these applications, it is offline mode, is within the 40 days from the date of this advertisement. You have to send the applications on the given address before 40 days from 7 August 2021. Next vacancy from the Department of Government of India, Ministry of Education, Department Higher Education's advertisement for the post of Director. Minimum qualifications required for an experience for the Director, a regular professor in engineering, in technology and applied science with a minimum total experience of 15 years. It is offline mode. You have to send the applications in the prescribed format, should be sent on the registered post on the Under Secretary is given on the address on Delhi. The last date of receipt is within the 30 days from the date of publications of this advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website. Next department from National Gallery of Modern Art, Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Jaipur House, New Delhi. Appointment on deputation basis. Applications are invited for 2 posts of Deputy Curator, 3 posts are for Public Relation Officer, and 3 posts are Upper Division Color, means UDC, and 2 posts for Assistant Director, Administration on Finance, including short term and long terms, and 1 post for Assistant Librarian and Information Officer, and 1 post for Security Officer, and 1 post for Deputy Curator Restorations. For above all these posts, you have to submit the applications before 60 days from the date of this publication of this advertisement in the Employment News Pro proper channel. Please visit his official website ngmaindia.gov.in for more details and essential qualifications. Next vacancy from ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Division of Entomology, New Delhi. It is a vacancy for online interview only for the post of Project Assistant 1 and Field Assistant Post 1 and JRF 1 post. For more details, please visit his official website iari.res.in, and last date was 17 August 2021 for the Project Assistant, Field Assistant for JRF 1 post in the Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. Next recruitment notice from National Highway Authority of India. Recruitment notice. There is a National Highway Authority of India invites application 2 years post Chief General Technical for selection through the Research Selection Committee. Last date is 23rd August 2021. Please visit his official website for more details. Next vacancy from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, Powai, Mumbai. Advertisement notice that a recruitment 2021 and ERP admin 001 for the post of registrar. Post name is Deputy Registrar, and post for Technical Superintendent, and post of Executive Assistant Placement, and number of post 1 each, and post name for Temporary Trained Graduate Teacher Hindi, Temporary Trained Graduate Teacher Science and Drawing teachers are required. Number of post for position unreserved. Please visit his official website for more details. Last date for above apply this all post by 27 August 2021 for the post of Trained Graduate Teachers Hindi, Science and Drawing, and Executive Assistant in Placement Officer, Technical Superintendent, Deputy Registrar, and for the post of Registrar. Next vacancy from Niti Aayog, Atal Innovation Mission. It is for the post of Head Finance, pay level will be 12 as per 7 CPC. Please visit his official website, rules, norms and regulations. Offline mode applications are there. Performa is given on his official website. Please download the applications and send it on the given address within the 30 days from the date of these publications. Next vacancy from Coal India Limited, a Maharatna company, Government of India. Recruitment of management trainees through GATE exams, means 2021 GATE exams is there. This is for 6 disciplines: mining, electrical, mechanical, civil, industrial and engineering and geology. Anyone who wants to take admissions and want to apply for this post, please visit his official website, and before last date is within the 30 days from the date of these publications. Next vacancy from National Investigation Agency, Ministry of Home Affairs. It is the post for Additional Superintendent of Police, means additional SP. One post is there. For the last date for this applying this post Additional Superintendent of Police, Additional SP is 2 months from the date of these publications. It is offline mode. Please visit his official website nia.gov.in recruitment website and download the Performa and send it within the 60 days from 7 August 2021. Next, Department of Forest and Wildlife, Government of NCT of Delhi. Vacancy circulations for Assistant Conservator of Forest, pay level will be 7, number of post 3, method of recruitment on deputation basis. Offline mode is there. Please download the Performa from forest.delhi.government.nic.in and send it on the given address within the 45 days from the date of publication. For the Northeast region, means Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island states, Northeast region, the date of last receipt application is 60 days from 7 August 2021, and for other states all, that is 45 days from the date of 7 August 2021. Next vacancy from All India Institute of Medical Science, Bathinda. Recruitment of notification on deputation post only. That the post names are Financial Advisor, Medical Superintendent, Superintending Engineer, Executive Engineer Civil and Executive Engineer Electrical. Last date is 30 days from after the publication of this advertisement. Please visit his official website aimsbathinda.edu.in for more details and application Performa. Next department, Ministry of Home Affairs, Directorate of Coordination and Police Wireless, New Delhi. Name of post Joint Assistant Director, CFR. Group B post is there. Number of post 7. General and Government Grade B post is there. Remarks on deputation basis. For applying the Ministry of Home Affairs Joint Assistant Director, CFR, it is offline mode. You have to download the Performa from dcpw.gov.in and send it on the given address within the 60 days from the 7 August 2021. Next vacancy from Madras Regimental Center, Wellington, Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. For the filling of the vacancies post from Group C. The commanding of it is last date for applying the below all these posts is 21 days from date of publication in the advertisement. If we talk about the post, name of the post are like this: LDC, lower division color, number of post 1, ABC 1. If we talk about the essential qualifications, 12 pass or equivalent. Typing speed 30 word per minute and English and computer, or typing speed 30 word per minute in Hindi. Age is between 18 to 25 years. Boot makers, number of post 1, unreserved 1. Matriculations means 10 class pass or is equivalent, or should be able to carry all canvas, textile, leather repair and replacement of equipment on boots. Age is between 18 to 25 years. Third post is cook, B grade pay. Number of post 9, that is unreserved 3, OBC 2, SC 1, ST 1, EWS 1, ex-serviceman 1. Matriculations, essential qualifications, must have knowledge of Indian cooking, proficiency in trade, 18 to 25 years. Next post is tailor. Number of post 1, unreserved, matriculations and should be proficiency in trade, 18 to 25 years is. Safai wala, number of post 3, OBC 1, SC 1, EWS 1, matriculations or equivalent and conservations with duties and Safai wala trades. Barbers, number of post 3, unreserved 1, OBC 1, SC 1, matriculations and proficiency of barber's trade job. Next post, 7 number post is washerman. Number of post 5, unreserved 2, OBC 1, EWS 1, ex-serviceman 1. Matriculation or equivalent must have able to wash military civilian clothes thoroughly. For above all these posts, age is between 18 to 25 years. Educational qualification, technical qualifications you have to fill in this performa application. Performa is given. It is offline mode applications. You have to send the applications within the requisite date and attach all the documents and send it on the given address within the 21 days from the date of these publications. Means from 28 August, before 28 August, your application should be reached on the given address for above all these posts. Next vacancy from Guru Gorakhnath Seva Sansthan, Uttar Pradesh. Application are invited for the stenographer grade 3. Number of post vacancies is 1. Pay scale is pay band 1 as per grade pay is 2400. Age limit 18 to 27 years. If we talk about the stenographer grade 2, educational qualifications 12 pass in equivalent. Proficiency is there, is as 50 word per minute on computer. Transcriptions is there. For English 50 minutes and for Hindi, that is the required transcript matter in 65 minutes on computer. For the post of stenographer, last date of receipt this application is 21 days from the date of this advertisement, means 28 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.mgkvk.in. Next vacancy from High Court of Madhya Pradesh. It is a short advertisement for the post of horticultures. Number of post unreserved 1, NST 1. Total post are 3. Junior Judicial Assistant. Number of post 51 plus 3 for physically handicapped. Stenographer. Number of post 2 unreserved. SE1, ST1. Total post are 4. For the post of horticulturist, Junior Judicial Assistant and stenographer, last date of submission is by 30 August 2021. Means application should be reached between 30 July 2021 to 30 August 2021 by 11:55 PM. So friends, it is an online mode applications. You have to fill the online form only. Next vacancy from Northeastern Space Application Center, means Uttar Purvi Antariksh Upyog Kendra, Government of India, Department of Space, Meghalaya. Advertisement number NESA RMT 01/2021. It is the post code is for SC041 and number of vacancies for 1 unreserved geoscience. Field is geoscience and post code is scientist 0441. If we talk about the for geoscience, essential qualifications MTech in RS and GS with specialization in geoscience in first class with an aggregate minimum 60% marks. And MTech 3 years, MSc in geology applied. Desirable qualification experience is required in hyper, spectral and microwave remote. Next for post code is SC048, means scientist 048, 1 unreserved space and atmospheric science discipline is there. MTech physics, applied science and atmospheric science, earth science systems essential qualification is required. How to apply? Application should be issued by online mode only. Last date of receive this application by 31st August 2021. Starting date is 5th July 2021. For more details, please visit official website nesac.gov.in. Next vacancy. So important dates, if we talk, opening date is 5th July 2021 as we talk about above. Closing date for submission of online recruitment is by 31st August 2021. Next vacancy from Ministry of Defence Headquarter Infantry School, Mahou. Employment notice is there. There are huge vacancies are there for all accountant, the dropsman, lower division clerk and carpenter, translator, storekeeper, bootmaker, painter, civilian motor driver, cook, supervisor, pay scale, artist, fatigue man, MTS means multitasking staff, washerman, MTS chowkidar, MTS messengers, washerman and barber and cycle repair. Above all these posts are, total posts are 53. Posts are there, 15 for unreserved, EWS for 4, and SC for 7, and ST for 11, and OBC for 16 posts. For the reason of Infantry School Belgaum, Karnataka stations, their draughtsmen, stenographer, lower division color, carpenters, painters, civilian motor drivers, overseer, pay scales, overseers, cook, arts of model makers, fatigue man, MTS chowkidar, sapaiwala, barber, and cycle repairs. Total posts are 24 for the Belgaum, Karnataka station. If we talk about the qualifications for the post of, if we talk that are accountants, degree or equivalent from a recognized university with the accountancy or mathematics as one of the subjects. If we talk for the essential qualifications for draftsman, that is matriculation pass or diploma in draftsmanship of a minimum duration of 2 years. For stenographer grade 2, 12 pass or equivalent, skill means 10 minutes at the rate of 80 word per minute for stenographer grade 2. Transcription should be 50 minutes in English and 65 minutes in Hindi on computer. For the post of LDC means lower division clerk, essential qualifications 12th class or equivalent qualification from a recognized university, and typing skills are required. Civilian motor drivers, that is matriculations, and he should have a valid motor driving license. For carpenter, motor driving license, and have a valid ITA, Industrial Training Institute diploma is there. Painter for matriculations and relative ITA diploma is there. Translator 12th pass and proficiency in Hindi certificate equivalent or research, and diploma in computer application from a recognized university. Next is storekeeper matriculations. Essential qualifications are there. 3 years experience of handling of stores. For artists and model makers, matriculation and certificate in drawing from recognized university. For boot makers, 10th pass and should be able to carry out the all canvas textiles. For the cook, matriculation or equivalent and must have a knowledge of Indian cooking proficiency in trades. For fatiguemen, matriculations must consult duties of fatigueman with 1 year's experience. For MTS watchman, MTS chowkidar and sapaiwala, and MTS messenger, essential qualification 10th and equivalent, desirable conservant with all duties of their respective trades. For the barbers, essential matriculation pass or equivalent, and washerman, matriculation pass or equivalent from a recognized board. So friends, cycle repairs, essential qualifications, matriculation pass, and I should have conservant with trade with at least 2 years experience should be there in cycle repairs. For supervisor, matriculations and overseas are matriculations and equivalent from a recognized board. For above all these posts, age qualifications 18 to 25 years, and for the post of accountant, carpenter, storekeeper, supervisor, overseas, and artist, model, maker, painter, civilian motor drivers, age is kept 18 to 27 years. Age relaxation as per the Government of India rules. For more details, please visit its official website. Selection criteria, scheme of examination is there. There is a 4 papers: general intelligence, general awareness, general English, and numerical aptitude. Duration of examination is 2 hours. There is a performer. You have sent the application performer within the 30 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement. Next vacancy from Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board, that is the New Delhi. Administrative Officer AO and Finance and Account Officer F&O examination 2021. If we talk about the important dates, submission of online application start from 23rd July 2021. Last date on time of receipt for the post of Administrative Officer and Finance Account Officers 23rd August 2021. If we talk about the interview and examinations, it to be notified later. Please visit the official website asrb.gov.in. Next vacancy, School of Archival Studies, National Archive of India. Admission notice is there. It is information for admission notice. It is the 18th short-term certificate course, care and conservation of books and miscellaneous archive. Objective to train the trainees in scientific method of conservation and repair, rehabilitation, storage and handling of all documentary heritage. Duration of course is 6 September to 29 October 2021. Eligibility, 2nd class graduate in recognized university, preferably in science. Age below 50 years and not below 30 years. If there is a last date of register for application 13 August 2021, given pro forma, this is offline mode, you have to send the applications with all requisite document for admission. Next vacancy from Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad. It is a Karnataka. IIT Dharwad invites online applications for the post of eligibly well qualified national and different project positions on engagement on various funded R&D projects. For more details, please visit iitdh.ac.in/project-vacancies.php. Next vacancy, CSIR, Institute of Microbial Technology. Advertisement number 03/2021, commencement of online application 2nd August 2021 and last date for the submission of online application by 15 September 2021 for the post of Junior Secretariat Assistant, General Store and Purchase. Number of posts are 7 CPC, pay level 2 and essential qualifications is 10+2 and equivalent and proficiency on computer and typing speed are required. Second post is Junior Secretariat Assistant Finance and Account, 7 CPC, pay level 2 and number of age is 28 years. Qualifications 10+2 in equivalent and computer speed and typing speed are required in Hindi and as well as in English. Third number post, Junior Stenographer, number of post 1 is reserved for OBC as per 7 CPC, pay level 4, qualifications 10+2 and equivalent and speed 80 word per minute in short and as per typing speed 40 word per minute type writing in English and 30 word by 5 word per minute typing in Hindi and using computer as per the prescribed norms fixed by the DOPT from the time to time. So friends, the post for the CSR Institute of Microbiology Junior Secretariat Assistant and Junior Stenographer, last date is 15 September 2021. How to apply? Eligibility required only online mode applications are there. Please visit his official website mtech.res.in for apply and before 15 September you have to apply. Next department from the Defense Research Development and Organization. Name of the post, Mechanic Motor Vehicle. Past qualifications is required 10th class and number of post 3. Draftsman Civil, number of post 4. Electrical and Electronic Mechanic, number of post 5. Instruments Mechanic and Mechatronics, number of post 6. Laboratory Assistant Chemical Plant, number of post 6. Computer Operator and Programming Assistant OPA, that is number of vacancy 14. So such like total vacancies are there 38. For above all these posts, please visit his official website and last date for submission is online mode is 21 days from date of publication. This means 28 August is last date for apply all these posts: Draftsman Civil, Electronic Mechanic, Instrument Mechanic, Laboratory Assistant and Computer Operator. Next vacancy and department from National School of Drama, that is the Government of India, Sanskar and Toli. Vacancy for the theatre artist. For the theatre artist performing, the last date for applying the theatre artist play is 18 August 2021. Please visit official website nsd.gov.in for more details and essential qualifications. Next department and most awaited, that the Indian Air Force direct recruitment of Group C civilian post in Indian Air Force. Advertisement number is 03/2021/DR. It is for various commands. Applications are there and it is a matriculations qualifications are required. So let's discuss about the post. For the postal address, CO, that is Vayu Sena Nagar, Nagpur. For the Nagpur cook, MTS and laundryman, there is a commands and there is a post. You have to, if you want to apply for the Nagpur and cooks and MTS, you have to send the applications on the given number of post 1. If you want to apply for the MTS for the Andaman and Coimbatore Tamil, you have to send the applications on the given address in the column. So friends, if you want to tailor SK, number of post 5, you have to send the application on CO 16 base repair depot opposite Sekon Vihar, Palam, Delhi. So friends, post name are cook, MTS, laundryman, AC mechanic, carpenters, MTS, superintendent store, carpenter SK, painter SK, carpenter SK, filter, LDC, cook, AC mechanic, carpenter, MTS, laundryman, cook, painter. Each and every department have vacancies are invited and released. Superintendent of a store, storekeeper, LDC, lower division clerk, mass staff, MTS, superintendent of stores, carpenter, painter, MTS, storekeeper, MTS. So friends, if you which area you belong to, if you want to apply for the Assam, you belong to Assam, then you can apply for this post. It is all India post. Age is limit between 18 to 25 years and last date of receipt of these applications. Age restriction as per government norms. And if we talk about the essential qualifications for superintendent stores, essential qualifications is graduate and recognized university and experience should be handling stores. LDC or 12th pass in intermediate and typing speed as per government rules. Storekeepers, essential qualification 12 pass and from a recognized university, experience of handling stores. Cook ordinary grade, pay level 2, matriculations, painter 10th pass, carpenter 10th pass, and all jobs have ITI certificates is required. Copper smith 10th pass and ex-serviceman appropriate trade and industrial IT training trade certificate are required. AC mechanic 10th pass, filter 10th pass, housekeeping staff 10th pass, HKS, laundryman, matriculations 10th, mass staff 10th, 1 year experience in water and washer up from the organizer or institute. Multitasking staff 10th pass, tailor 10th pass from a recognized university and IT certificate. Tradesmen, male, matriculations and IT certificate for ex-servicemen of appropriate trade and Hindi typist 12 pass and typing speed 35 word per minute English or 30 word per minute in Hindi on computer. So mode of selection, application will be scrutinized and age limit as per the rules and essential qualifications. The eligible candidate will required to appear for written test. After written test based on the minimum educational qualification. For LDC, general intelligence, general English, numerical aptitude and general awareness. For a sports person, stenographer, general English, intelligence, general English and language and comprehension. MTS, AYA, laundryman, mass staff, general intelligence, reasoning, numerical aptitude, general English and general awareness. For all other trades and posts, general intelligence, reasoning, numerical aptitude, general English, general awareness and trade post related questions will be given. Shortlisted candidates are to bring original certificates, copy or attachment with appearance. So friends, examines the selection criteria is you have to apply, then form will be shortlisted as per your qualification and there is a written test, then you will be called for document verifications. Last date of receipt this above all these posts is 30 days from the date of this publications, means 7 August the employment, there is a after 7 August there is a 30 days is last date. So before 30 days you have to submit the applications online. It is offline mode applications. So performer is given, you have to send the application on the given address on the relevant field and you have to mention about the trade which you are applying. So from last date of receipt this application before 30 days from the date of publication in advertisement in the employment news. So how to apply? You have to apply, there is a performer, you have to type the performer and fill it carefully and attach all the requisite document and send it out before 30 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement. Quit India movement, character and organization. Continue from page number 1. Highlights of 79th episode of Man Ki Baat. News Digest. National Digest. PM launches multiple key initiatives in the education sector. 27% reservation for OBCs and 10% for EWS means economic weaker section in medical courses. Parliament passes Juvenile Justice Amendment Bill 2021. Parliament passes Factoring Regulations Amendment Bill 2021. Academic institutions to remove requirement of legalizations of apostilled document. Basavaraj Bommai takes oath of Karnataka's chief ministers. 2 new Indian sites achieve World Heritage status. WCD Ministry launches 24/7 helpline numbers for women. Economic Digest. IMF and International Monetary Fund projects India's growth rate is 9.57% for current fiscal year. India scores 90.32% of UNESCAP Global Survey on Digital and Sustainable Trade Facilitation. International Digest. US announces $25 million support for India COVID-19 vaccination program. Australia to return 14 artwork to India. Myanmar junta cancelled 2020 poll result won by Suu Kyi party. Sports Digest. Mirabai Chanu clinches silver at Tokyo 2020 Olympic. Legendary badminton player Nandu Natekar passes away. India wins 13 medal at World Cadet Championship. So friends, it was the Employment News Weekly 7 to 13 August 2021 in full details. See you next week. Employment newspaper, job notifications and current affairs. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.